Tiffany with Us the Remingtons here. Today we're going to talk about how to use your travel trailer stabilizer jack. Stabilizer jacks come in two varieties, power jacks and manual jacks. Power jacks use a small electric motor to extend and retract, whereas you'll need to crank manual jacks up and down by hand. But there's more to setting up and using stabilizer jacks properly than that. So let's break it down for you. Your first step is to get your trailer leveled from side to side when you're parking. Campsites are rarely perfectly leveled, so you'll need to evaluate the slope and position of your trailer as level as possible. Most of the time, you'll need leveling blocks under certain tires to adjust the level from side to side. Place a manual or an electronic leveler on your trailer's rear bumper to check your work. The more level you park, the less you'll need to extend your stabilizing jacks and tongue stand later. Keep in mind that both power and manual jacks are meant for stabilizing your trailer and reducing the bouncing and swaying that happens when you walk around inside. They're not meant for adjusting the level of your trailer. So use the leveling blocks to get your trailer leveled from side to side before you extend the jacks. The second step is to place tire chocks in front and back of your tires to prevent rolling and shifting when you unhook from your tow vehicle. It'll also help you maintain the hard work you just did to park and level your rig. Step 3 begins with detaching the electrical connector from your tow vehicle. Leave your safety chains attached for now and lower the tongue wheel or stand to the ground. If you have a tongue wheel, you'll want to chock it so it doesn't roll. Then unlock your trailer coupler so it can raise off the hitch ball. If you have a power tongue jack, push the button to raise the hitch receiver until it's completely cleared of the hitch ball. For manual tongue jacks, crank to the right clockwise to raise it off the hitch ball. Once you've safely disconnected, detach the safety chains and pull your tow vehicle away. Once your tow vehicle is out of the way, your fourth step is to lower the tongue to level your trailer from front to back. With the power tongue jack, push two-way button on the opposite side to lower the tongue. If you have a manual tongue jack, crank to the left counterclockwise to lower it to level your trailer. Place your leveler on the trailer step to check from front to back leveling. Now that your trailer is unhooked, leveled, and secured in place, give your jacks a solid place to land. This is important to prevent your jacks from sliding, sinking, or shifting once they're extended. You should also use leveling blocks to limit how far you need to extend your jacks and reduce the possibility of bending or breaking. You'll want to avoid stacking leveling blocks more than 3 levels high if placing them directly on top of one another. For additional height, use a triangular stacking structure to create a solid foundation for your stabilizing jacks. When you have a place for your jacks to land, step 3 is to extend your jacks. For power jacks, you'll have a two-way extend and retract button on the trailer's outside wall or in the pass-through compartment. Push to extend your jacks just until they make contact with your leveling blocks or stabilizing pads. Double check that all jacks are extended evenly. For manual jacks, you'll need to retrieve your crank handle and insert the open end over the screw thread on the outside of the jack. Then turn to the right clockwise to extend your jacks. The same principle holds here. Only extend until the jacks make contact to the pavement, stabilizing pads, or leveling blocks. Overextending can cause damage to the jack motor or the jacks themselves. For manual jacks, you'll need to repeat this process until every jack under your trailer is fully extended. Now when it's time to pack up camp, simply reverse this process and double check that all your jacks are retracted completely before towing your trailer. Also, don't forget to store all of your trailer's leveling and stabilizing equipment securely in an underneath storage compartment so everything is easily accessible next time you need it. From all of us here at Good Sam, we hope these tips help you find a little bit more stability.